In this exercise, we will learn the paint bucket tool. Basically, the paint bucket tool is used to fill colors. Okay, let's see how this tool will work. If I right-click on the gradient tool, we can see here the paint bucket tool underneath the gradient bucket tool. Or we can press Shift and G to select this tool. Okay, I have selected the paint bucket tool and I have this foreground color. And if I double click on it, we can change the color to any you would like to fill here. Or we can pick a color from the swatch panel. And we go to the window menu and we have the swatches option. We can press and hold the Alt key to pick any color. Okay, now if I click on it, we see the color is filled. And we can click one more time to fill the area. Also, we can increase the tolerance, let's say to 70% to cover a large scale, and then fill it. Here, we have perfectly filled this color. Okay, we also have pattern options. We can choose any pattern from here. For example, this one, and apply it. And now we have changed the background pattern. Okay, next we have different mode options, and you can experiment with different modes from here. The next is anti-alias. Check this on for smoothness. The next is contiguous. Check this mark on. And next is the layer option. If you're working on a new layer, then check this on. Or if you're working on an original layer image, then you want to check this off. I always check this on. Okay, in the next exercise, we will learn the blur tool.